What's up, party people? Skagman, the bald man here, the Lincoln man, and I'm here today because a lot of people have asked me how did I do my LEDs and the tail lights of Claudine here, my 79 Continental, and today I'm going to show you how I did it because I have to do a repair. I got some LEDs that have burned out, and it's getting to a point. It started out with just one, and it's just kind of spreading here and there, and I've had these in there for probably about 7 years now, so they're just a cheap LED strip, but I'll show you all that when we get to it. But I'm going to show you how to take them out, how I laid them in, and we'll put it all back together. But I got a surprise because I think I want to change the style instead of the individual LEDs, something that's a little bit more smooth, but you'll see that, and you can decide how you want to do yours. So let's get on with it today on Skag's Garage. Stay with me. It's simple enough to pull this out. You pull your back cover out. Behind here is the bolts for the studs, the nuts for the studs that hold your tail lights in. There are screws behind here that you'll see that holds your rear reflector bar in. And then we got to get underneath to take the screws out for that, and then it all just comes out. Easy peasy. Alright, the only two screws you gotta unscrew from here is on the very end here, and that holds the bottom of the bumper filler up to the tail light. Let's see what Skag's doing here. We're taking the old strip out, and you can see how the old one was laid in, so we're removing that, and we're getting ready to lay in the new one. What I was trying to go for here, instead of you being able to see the individual LED lights, I got this white strip that kind of mimics a neon or a, I don't know how you would say it, a fluorescent type of light. because I wanted to try that out and see how it works. But as you can see, it appears that it's really too big and too cumbersome. It doesn't lay in as well as the flat LED strips. Let's check out the other one. I was always told that if you have a red lens housing, that a red LED would show through better. And I actually have red LEDs in my tail lights for my brake lights. Originally I had white LEDs and they weren't as bright, believe it or not, as red LEDs when I hit the brake lights on my tail lights. So I'm gonna try this red strip, and it is not as bright as the other one too, and plus we're still dealing with the same thick LED fluorescent looking strip, so it's not working. We'll try the other one. The final one, number 3. This one, if you can tell, is a double row LED, which I'm kind of excited about. I know I'm still going to see each individual light, but I like this one the best. And it's easy to work with. It's a flat strip once again. The adhesive on it is better, so it actually sticks to the foam that's in there. So on my original one, I actually used clear packing tape to hold the LED strip in place where it wouldn't stick to the foam. If you notice that this one, no tape, everything turned out good. That folded on the corners, and can't wait for you to see the end product. Well, that does it. Tell you what, if you guys have any questions about what I did, if you're trying it yourself, I'll make you a deal. If you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and follow me on Instagram, direct message me on Instagram, and I will answer your question back. I promise. If you put a question in the comments, I'm gonna like it because you're watching it, but I might not answer. So hit subscribe, like it, follow me on Instagram, and send me a DM. Slide up in my DMs. Skag's out. We'll see you on the next video, and I promise it won't be as long as it took me to put this one out. Have a good one.